Looks like you're about to pass out. Spill it, bro.
I thought something about it.
Okay, but what exactly did you say?
I really like the audio. Have we met? So,
Wait, what? Can you lessen the volume of your music, Reina? I can't hear that much. So, what is it again, Vincent?
What?
Hold up, Vincent. Did you just say where or when to meet? Because can we meet is so sound open-ended. Angela might be confused. Of course, details matter. Without location or time, how will she decode the message? You might think you mean a group meeting or something. Bro, wait. Like, love letter.
What about Little Heart or Smiley? It could help to get her mood. Right now, it's just like a cold text.
You must book a table first, maybe on a cafe shop. It's a nice venue for confessing something in person.
Angeline sent me a message already. 1 meter ago. He said that he's doing Vincent. I thought you meant to meet.
Ouch, but props to Angeline for replying honestly. No fake promises or mixed signals. Kasi Kati na siya.
So, Vincent, what will be your next move?
Okay. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end other message. Stay from computer. And I hope that
That's better. Now just wait for her feedback before jumping to any.
Again. So since Vincent covered the lab drama, who's ready to tackle our group project now?